Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful granny square with a 3D flower. Let's start, shall we? I'm going to start by doing a slip knot and then chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then do a slip stitch in the first chain, and then chaining 3. This 3 chain represent 1 double crochet. Now in the circle I'm going to work 11 double crochet, meaning I have to yarn once, insert inside, yarn again. I have 3 loop, first 2 loop and the remaining 2. Again yarning, insert inside, pull. I have 3 loop, the first 2 and the remaining 2. This is a double crochet. Now I have 4 double crochet, including the first one. I need another 8, so finish the 8 and come again. I have finished my double crochet. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from my first, and then chain 1 and pull and cut the yarn and change the color, so up whatever color you like. Pull to close my circle. Now I'm going to insert the new color at the top of any of the double crochet, doesn't matter. And I'm going in this row, we're going to work a cluster of 3 double crochet. What is a cluster? Now you will see. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then the cluster is as if you're working a double crochet, but pulling the yarn through the only first 2 loops. So working a double crochet, insert inside, pull the first 2 loop only. Again, this is my second, the first 2. I have 3 loop, pull all through, loop together, chain 1. Again at the top of the next double crochet, as if we're working a double crochet, only the first 2 loop. Again, and then I have 4, pull all through, all, chain 1. Again the next one I'm working a double crochet but through the first 2 loop only, and this is a cluster of 3 double crochet. I have 4 loop, through all loop and chain 1. Work the remaining 9 and come again for the next row. I have finished all my cluster. I'm going to do a slip stitch at the top of the first cluster, chain 1 and pull and cut. Now I'm going to insert the new color at any of the chain 1 space. Again, insert inside, creating a loop like this, a knot, and then tie. You can do it once or twice. I usually do it only once. Now I'm going to chain 1, and in the same place I'm going to do what? 1 single crochet. So insert inside, I have 2 loop, through both loop, and then 1, 2, 3 chain. In the next chain space again I'm going to work a 1 single crochet and then chain a 3. What is single crochet? You're going to insert inside, pull. I have 2 loop, again 1, 2 and 3, insert inside. If you've seen, I usually work around the yarn while I'm crocheting, and instead it depends on the design, but for this row I can do like this, but for the next row or the next, no, I have to do it through the needle. So continue doing this, work crocheting 1 single crochet and then chain 3 and come for the next row. I have finished all the single crochet. I'm going to do a slip stitch at the first single crochet. Again, another slip stitch so that I reach this space where I'm going to work in my my next row. So chain one. Again, to begin my row, in the same space, I'm going to do a single crochet and then chain one, then 3 double crochet in the same space. This is one, and this is a second double crochet, third, and then chain one, a single crochet again in the same spot. In the next directly, you're going to do a single crochet, chain one, and this is my pattern where I have to do 1 single crochet, chain one, 3 double crochet, and then chain one, a single crochet. Again, directly here, 1 single crochet, chain one, and then 3 double crochet. Again, chain one, and then single crochet all in the same space. I have worked a 3, I needed another 9, so continue working on 9 and come for the next part where we're going to turn this flower into a square. I have finished all of them. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch at the first single crochet, chain one, and pull and cut. I'm going to insert the color that I have used in the center for my square. Now where am I going to insert the new color? Flip the flower and then look here at this single crochet from the 1 to 3rd row. See this one, or 4th row, this one from behind. If I flip, not this, the loop that are behind the flower, I'm going to insert the color, the yarn, and work through the back loop only. Do not work on the front 2 loop, only the back. Now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. This is my first double crochet. Again, see how I'm going to insert, working another double crochet, again another double crochet, and then what am I going to do? To chain again in the same spot. I'm going to work 3 double crochet, and this is my corner, all in the same place through the back loop. See, now this is my corner. If I see how it's not no, you do not see it from the front. Again, in the next, I'm going to work half double crochet, which is yarning once, insert the back loop, and work 3 half double crochet. Again, in the next, flip like this and work 3 half double crochet. What is half double crochet? Which is yarning 3 loop and pull all 3 loop again. And this is my pattern, which is I'm going to repeat again 3 times. 1 loop, you're going to work the corner, which is 3 double crochet, 2 chain 3 double crochet, and then 2 loop half double crochet 3 times, which is I'm going to repeat along all the flower. And so finish them and come again for the next part. Now I have finished all my corners. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook, and then here come the easy part. You're going to chain 3, and then in each of the previous double crochet you're going to work a 1 double crochet, except the corner you're going to work 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and 2 double crochet. Again, in each of the previous double crochet, you're going to work what? 1 double crochet. Even the half double crochet, you're going to work 1 double crochet. So finish all the double crochet and come again so that I can show you how it's going to look like at the end. I have finished all my double crochet. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, yarn over and cut. You can stop here if you want a small square, or you can continue. This is a bigger square, same square, except that I added another row of double crochet with the same thing. 1 double crochet at all the previous double crochet, and in the corner 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. If you need a larger border, you can do the same. And this is the square that I have worked with. See, same color but different squeeze of the color that I have used. And for the cleaning, these I'm going to using a needle and like this, and then cut. So I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you, until the next time.